a song for our hearts to sing along, like a choir within the air. There'll be music everywhere. A bitter tear across your cheek. A smile from you is all I need. We'll give them cause to breathe the air. There'll be lovers everywhere. I'll be your singer and your song, for all the love you brought along. I'll be your day, I'll be your night. I'll see that everything's alright. I'll turn the ocean into sand, like my heart in joking hand. I'll make the raindrops turn to snow, and everyone will know that we're in love. Yeah, yeah,
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. This isn't the house of the universe conspire to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day I was born for you.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo na wala akong daramdamin. Ikaw ay lumayo at hindi na ako mahalin. Sa paghulog ng luha, ako ngayon ang may dusa. Kung ang isip mo'y hindi, di na tayo magmamahalan. Hanap na hanggang uli, sigat siya lang ito lang sana. Ang
thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no power from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
Hello. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best now that you're retiring in your work. It's up to you if you want to continue still working. I heard you're trying to get you as a consultant, so it's up to you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for raising the five of us. Thank you for giving us what we need in this life. On your birthday, I'm sorry I can't be there. We have to work here. You know, Manny Pacquiao. No, seriously. Happy birthday, and thank you again for everything. In the past, we had some differences. Medyo hindi ako yung ganong kabait na anak. So, but everything na sinabi mo sa akin before, it's all here. It's all in me. Kala mo lang siguro hindi ko pinakikinggan, pero lahat yun nasa puso ko. I would thank God if I'd be even just half the man you are right now. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday. I love you, Pa. Hello! Pa, happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Hindi po si Brad Pitt at si Angelina Jolie ang bumabate. Hello from Dubai, from Abu Dhabi. Papa, happy birthday. Sana masaya dyan. Alam ko naman masaya kayo dyan. So, enjoy lang. Enjoy the dinner, kung ano ba yan dinner yan. Ang inuman, ang kantahan. Sayang, wala kami dyan. Pero, susunod na birthday.
Andiyan na kami, next year.
Ayan. Enjoy kayo lahat dyan. Hello sa lahat. Salamat sa pagdating sa birthday ng daddy ko, ng papa, sa mama, sa mga kapatid ko, sa mga nag-ayos ng birthday niya. Salamat sa ninang, sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Pa, we miss you. Happy birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday. Love you.
I love you. Bye-bye.